Kung mapapansin ninyo, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon, mga numero. SALN, tax records from BIR, reports from AMLC. This is the part where the numbers have to be studied, compared, analyzed. And numbers, take note, unlike people, numbers do not have motives. Numbers do not lie. Again, numbers do not lie. At dito po, nagiging mas mabigat ang usapan. Because when we speak of numbers, we are no longer dealing with opinion, spin, or even narrative. We are confronting cold, unyielding facts. Hindi ito napapakiusapan. Hindi ito natatakot. Hindi ito napipilit magsinungaling. A number either matches or it does not. At higit sa lahat, hindi po ito basta numero lamang. Pera ito ng taong bayan. Pera ito ng manggagawang Pilipino na araw-araw kumakayod, ng pamilyang nagtitipid para makabayad ng buwis, ng bawat Pilipinong umaasa na ang kanilang ambag ay napupunta sa tama. A peso is either accounted for or it is missing.